Peugeot service told me that fluid in the automatic transmission does not need to be changed and that it is there for life. However, if you do a bit of Googling, there seems to be quite a bit of contradicting information. My fluid has been there for nearly 160,000 kilometers and I am getting it changed. So we are going to take a look how that fluid looks like after nearly 160,000. Let's take a look. So here is the fluid as I received it after getting it replaced. First of all, let's have a look at the color. After a brief look, it does look brown, if not dark brown, then at minimum light brown. Let's see if it is transparent. I cannot see any light whatsoever. I was trying to take a look at the color because a new fluid should be transparent and typically bright red. And what we are going to do next is that we will try to filter this fluid and see what we can catch. Okay, so we are done. Let's see what did we catch. I hope you can see it. Okay, there appears to be something right there in the middle, but honestly I don't really see any metal pieces or any components that would have been caught by the cloth. So I'm going to try to filter it again. So I did filter the fluid through regular kitchen towel and I'm not seeing anything on that paper. So in conclusion, my transmission fluid or oil doesn't smell. It's of light brown to maybe dark brown color, and I am going to carry on changing it because it's probably not worth risking the entire transmission for a bit of fluid that you probably want to be changing, even though Peugeot claims it's a lifetime type of a fluid. Thank you for taking a look at the video. If you did find it helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, as it will help spread the video to others. Thank you very much.